chopper in the truck. Gonna do some taco salad. Kind of like a quick taco salad. Not gonna do no lettuce or tomato on it. We're just gonna kind of make a fast meal here. Got a ground pork. Fry that up here. Get it all chopped up nice and good. Taco salad without the seasoning, can we? Get the G-spot. Oh, trucker G-spot season. Get it in there real good. Don't be afraid of it. Mix it all up, get it incorporated here.
Smelling good up in here. I'm pretty sure we both need to eat because we're getting grouchy at each other.
I'm not grouchy. Are you grouchy?
I feel a little grouchy.
I'm taking your grouchy then. So, chorizo, whatever brand you want. This happens to be cacique. And set it down here.
Yeah, that's fine.
Let it cook up a little bit and start rendering, and then it's easier to spread it out.
All right.
We got that chorizo all incorporated here. About cooked up. Actually had a little bit of leftover chicken from the other night when we did salad. We put the chicken on the salad. It's a fajita chicken. Just throw that in there too, that way it don't go to waste. What do you think?
That works for me. I like variety.
I'm not chopping very well, but
Because the meat's cold.
yeah.
Takes a minute.
It'll heat up here. Some meat there. Throw some meat on your taco or on your Doritos. I like to use Doritos. You can use any kind of chips you want, or you can do it in a taco bowl.
Yeah. Or you can do it without chips and go keto.
Go keto, she said. You want lettuce? Put lettuce on. Heck, it's up to you what you want.
And look at that. We're probably going to have plenty of leftovers.
Oh, we're gonna have plenty of leftovers. Anybody hungry?
Yeah, because instead of grabbing the 1 pound of ground pork, I grabbed a 2-pounder.
Throw some cheese on there. Ooh. Throw some cheese on there. That cheese is open already.
It is open.
Gotta be smarter than the bag, huh? Tell you a little cheese on there, a lot of cheese on there, whatever you like.
She likes lots of cheese. Don't forget, we have onions too that I chopped. My cute little collapsible bowls that you bought me.
Onions, you said?
Yes.
You don't like onions, do you?
I love onion.
So
I love the onions.
got enough onion for you?
Really? I remember when I was pregnant with Laylee, I couldn't stand the smell of onions. Now I can't get enough of them.
I like onion too.
Mm-hmm. We had onion on our salads the other night too.
That good enough for you?
A little bit more.
Come on, woman.
I like onion. There we go.
There you get the blanket onion too.
That's the wrong lid.
That won't fit on there.
Yeah, because it's not made to go on there.
As you know, we don't edit stuff out. And a little sour cream.
Yes, please.
How much sour cream? That much?
A good amount.
There you go.
Not like a dual size amount, but
Do a dollop.
a dollop will work.
There.
No.
Oh,
More.
you want more?
That's like the. Don't be chintzy. That's good. I'm starving.
Are you hungry?
Yes.
It's as simple as that, guys. You put whatever kind of salsa you want on. Mango habanero, garlic habanero, trucker G-spot, garlic habanero, trucker G-spot, mango habanero. You decide.
You decide. You be the judge. We're fixing to grub down.
Yes,
Love
I'm
you guys. Bye.
Love ya.